Welcome to my class on Vedic maths. In today's class, I will discuss Vedic multiplication by vertically and crosswise, which is also called Urdhva Tiryak Sutra. Let us start with two-digit multiplication. The first question is 21 times 21. So in this example, first of all, what we are going to do, we will multiply the extreme left 2 times 2. That gives us 4. I have written here 4. Next step is cross multiply, that is 2 times 1 is 2 and 1 times 2 is 2. And then add. So cross multiply and add. So 2 plus 2 gives you 4. And the last stage is multiply 1 times 1. This is 1 times 1. So multiply it and you get 1 here. 1 times 1 is 1. So answer would be 4, 4 and 1. I hope it is clear. I will explain you once again. You start with 2 times 2, that is 4. Then cross multiply 2 times 1, that is 2. Again 1 times 2, that is 2. And add them, so that gives you 2 plus 2, 4. And finally multiply 1 and 1, so you get 1. So your answer finally is 4, 40 and 1. Going by the same rule, we will do next question. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2 and 2 times 1 is 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4 and finally 2 times 2 is 4. So our answer is 144. Sometimes we get carryover, so how to solve those carryover questions, just let us have a look. Let us try question number 3, that is 56 times 43. So we will start with 5 times 4, that gives us 20. Then 4 times 6, 24. 3 times 5, 15. Add 24 and 15. We get 39, and then write 39 in this way, the way I have written. Then move to the next step, 6 times 3, that is 18. The process is simple, and then finally you add them. 8, 9, 1 is 10 and carry 1, 3 and 1 is 4 and 2. So finally you get this answer. I'll explain you once again the simple process. You start with the extreme left, that is 5 times 4. Write the answer and multiplication result over here, 20. Then cross multiply 4 times 6 and 3 times 5 and then add. So adding together we get 39. So write 39 in this way. That is to be taken care of. And next step is multiply the extreme right digit, that is 6 times 3. So you get 18. So you write 18 like this again. And finally you add them. So that is your result. Again 6 times 5 is 30. Then 6 times 5 is 30 and 5 times 5 is 25 and 30 plus 25 is 55. You can see over here I have written 55. And finally 5 times 5 is 25. So that is written and that is your answer. 3575, 3575. Welcome to Vedic maths classes. In today's class, we will be doing Vedic multiplication by vertically and crosswise method, which is also called in Sanskrit Urdhva Tiryak Sutra. Urdhva is vertically, Tiryak is crosswise, Sutra is formula. So Urdhva Tiryak Sutra. In today's lesson, we will learn 3-digit multiplication by Urdhva Tiryak Sutra, that is vertically and crosswise formula. So how we proceed with this formula, let us have a look. We have in the question, you can see we have 123 times 321. So this will be done in 5 steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 and step 5. I will explain each step one by one. In the very first step, we take extreme left pair of digits. So here we will take 1 times 3, and 1 times 3 or 3 times 1 is 3. So write 3 here. Next we are going to take 2 pairs, extreme left and next to it. So we will be taking these 2. And we will cross multiply. 3 times 2, 2 times 1 and then add them. So 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 1 is 2 and 6 plus 2 is 8. Then we will write 8 over here. Next to 3 we will write 8. Just after 3 we will write 8. Then we will move to step 3 and we will, here in this step, this is a step 3, and here what we will do, we will do cross multiplication. 3 times 3 which is 9 plus 2 times 2 which is 4 and 1 times 1 which is 1, and then add them and we get 14. And we will write 14 like this, which I also told you in the previous lesson, that when we have 2 digits we have to write it the way I have written over here. Coming to the 4th step, which is this one, here we are going to multiply the middle pair and the last pair, that is 23 and 21. So 2 times 3 is 6 and 1 times 2 is 2, and add them together to get 8. And we will write 8 over here, as you can see. And last and final step, which is step 5, what we do over here, we multiply vertically 3 and 1, and the answer is 3, we write here. And finally we add all of them. So 3, 8, 4, 8 plus 1, 9 and 3, and this is our answer, 39,453. I hope it is clear. Let us take a look at few more examples. So here is example 1, 421 times 432. So we will do 4 times 4, 16, 4 times 2, 8, and 4 times 3, 12, and 12 plus 8, 20, and we will write 20 like this, as you can see, 20. Then we will move to the 3rd step, that is 4 times 1, 4, 3 times 2, 6, 4, 6, 10, and 4 times 2, 8, and 10 plus 8, 18, and we will write it like this again, 18. 4th step, we will take into account these pairs, this last, middle one and last one. So 3 times 1, 3, and 2 times 2, 4, and 3 plus 4, 7. Since it is a single digit, you can write here 7, and finally 2 times 1, that gives you 2, and then finally add the 2. So 2, 7, 8, 0 plus 1, 1, 6 plus 2, 8, and 1. So finally this is your answer. I hope things are clear to you, steps are clear to you. Let us take a look at example number 2. 4 times 3, 12, 3 times 5, 15, and 4 times 4, 16, and 15 plus 16, 31. I have written over here 31. Next step, 3 times 3, 9, 5 times 4, 20, and 2 times 4, 8. So adding them together you get 37. Next step, 4 times 3, 12, 5 times 2, 10, 12 and 10, 22, and 3 times 2, 6. And finally you add them 6, 2, 9, 4, 5, and 1, and this is your answer. I hope all the steps have been clear to you. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Welcome to my Vedic Maths class. In today's class, I will discuss Vedic multiplication vertically and crosswise, where I will discuss how to multiply 4-digit numbers. So here you can see we have 1231 to be timed by 2112. So the method that we follow, I have written them in steps, and I will try to explain you each and every step that is to be followed. So first of all, we will start with extreme left, and we will multiply this 1 and 2, and that gives us 2, and that 2 I have written over here. Next we will take next 2 pairs, 1 2 and 2 1. Again we will cross multiply 2 times 2 and 1 times 1. So 2 times 2 is 4, as you have seen, and 1 times 1 is 1, and then we will add it, so that gives us 5. Write 5 after 2. Now we will take 3 digits, 3 at the top and 3 at the bottom. We started with 1, then we took second step, we took 2, and in the third step we will take 3, and again we will multiply cross multiplication. So 2 times 3, that gives us 6, 1 times 2, that gives us 2, and 1 times 1, that gives us 1, and then we will add them. So we get 6 plus 2 plus 1, that is 9, and we will write 9 over here. Next is, we will take all the 4, and again we will do cross multiplication. So 2 times 1 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 1 is again 2, and then we will add them. So we get 9. 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2, that is 9. So in the fourth step we will write 9. In the fifth step we will take last 3, 2 3 1 and 1 1 2, and we will again cross multiply 2 times 2, that is 2 times 2 is 1 times 1, that is 1, then 1 times 3, that is 3, and 2 times 2, that is 4. So adding them we get 8. So I have written 8 over here. In sixth step we will take last 2, So 1 times 1 is 1 and 2 times 3 is 6 and 1 plus 6 is 7. So 7 we have written over here. And finally, last step, 1 and 2, so we will multiply it. So 1 times 2 is 2 and 2 we have written over here. So 2599872, that is our answer. Let us discuss another example to understand it better. In this example, we have another question, 1212 times 2240. So we will follow the same process. 1 and 2, we will start with 1 and 2, step 1, we will multiply it, and that is 1 and 2 is 2, and the result I have written over here. Then we will take these two pairs, 1, 2 and 2, 2, and then cross multiply as shown here. So 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 1 is 2, and then add them, that gives us 6. So write 6 here, second step. Third step, you take 3 pairs and I have shown over here. So you multiply 2 and 1, that gives you 2, 2 and 2, that gives you 4, and 1 and 1, that gives you 1, and result is 7. So write 7. I have written here 7. Step 4, take a look, very careful look. Cross multiply and you multiply the digits that are diagonally opposite. So 2 times 2 here, that gives you 4. Again 2 times 1, that gives you 2. Again 1 times 2, that gives you 2. And 4 times 1, that gives you 4. And add them together, you get 12. So I have written 12 like this, as I taught it in the previous video. Whenever you get double digit, you have to write it like this. Next, we will take last 3 digits, 212 and 214, as you can see here, and follow the same process which we followed in step 3. Cross multiply 2 times 2, that gives you 4. 1 times 1, that gives you 1, and 4 times 2, that gives you 8, and add them together, you get 13, and write 13 like this. Next step, take last 2 digits, 1 2 and 1 4, as you can see, cross multiply and add. So 4 times 1 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So that 6 is written over here, that you can see. And finally, last pair 2 and 4, so multiply them and you get 8. Write 8 here. And finally you add all 8, 6, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 7 plus 1, 8. This is 6. This is 2. So that is our answer. This is our answer. It seems a bit lengthy, but if you practice, with practice you can master this, and you can do in maximum 10 to 14 seconds. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel. Do like and share it also. And finally, I also want to let you know that we conduct online classes for SAT, GRE, GMAT, Olympiad Math, Math Count, MOEMS, Mathematics. We teach all boards worldwide, and Science all boards worldwide. You can always contact us on our website scitutors.in. Thank you. See you in the next video.